So one of the aspects that we're evaluating in the high density plantings, in order to keep the trees small so that we can fit an overhead harvesting, shake and catch harvesting system over them, we actually hedge the trees quite harshly compared to what they would do in industry, where they only hedge to increase light interception in the inter-row space or to open up the inter-row space for access. Closest to me, behind me, is a dwarfing rootstock. You can see the canopy is less dense. It's also much smaller compared to the next research panel, little experimental panel that we have, which have a very high vigor rootstock. And you can see it grows very high. There's a lot of lateral growth. We are interested in seeing how these different rootstocks react to hedging, because, for instance, the higher density rootstock, as soon as you hedge, on the ends of the branches that you hedge, they will throw multiple lateral shoots, which in the long term will have implications for light interception into the canopy. Light interception is related to floral bud initiation, so that will basically have implications on your yield, because without floral buds, you won't have fruit. Behind us, there's a lot of light interception in the canopy, but on the other hand, there's also not a lot of new spurs, so you won't have a massive increase in yield, but there's a higher chance of the spurs that are there that they will carry fruit. But in addition to that, there's competition and there's not enough nutrients and water, and it might be that they're not able to ripen the fruit properly because they have such a small canopy compared to the other higher vigor rootstock. So there's always a give and take, and you always have to look at both sides